So a little bit of an update. I am exporting the rough edit. This is basically our first draft. So the whole video is looking around 8 minutes, which is pretty good. And I'm excited because we're still adding in more things to it. We're gonna clean up some audio. And then after that, we're pretty much done. So we'll probably have this done either tomorrow or Friday. And yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait till the final edit is done. And I'm waiting for this thing to go export so I can go home. That's what I meant. Those are words. There's doors and 10 minutes.
She stays in her little bubble.
You've said bubble more than once, John. What do you mean by that?
I mean, you have your head in the clouds. You're just in your own little world. You just ignore all our problems that we have.
So you decide to cheat?
Like I said, it just happens.
Let's talk about the wallpaper.
Hello everyone. So, welcome to this week's Sunday vlog with a new camera. I am not using my iPhone. I am not using the Sony camera. Well, I am using a Sony camera, but we got a new camera for the vlog, so I'm really happy about that. I can actually zoom now. It's like, can I zoom? Oh yeah, I can. It's my eyeball. And it's blurry. Focus. Focus! I'm still trying to figure it out how to work this camera, but I'm really happy about it. I can actually use a vlogging camera. Instead of using the fisheye camera, I can actually use a small digital camera around me. So if I need to zoom into things, I don't have to pull out my phone and do all of that. And this camera is pretty wide and stuff. I have it in arm's length, as you can see here. And so yeah, this is normally where the distance where I vlog, and this microphone is gonna pick up a lot of noise. There's a vent going on and it's pretty loud, so, and also the microphones are on top of the camera, so yeah, it's gonna be something to get used to of holding this camera. It has a nice little grip on the side. It's pretty neat. And before I yammer on and forget what the name of this camera is, it is called the Sony HX80. Just came out a couple months ago. I purchased it like around last week, so I'm doing some testing with it. I just did an unboxing video of it, so I'm getting into the more review and testing of it. So yeah, this is the first clip with the new camera with this vlog that's going on for 2 years now. I'm almost gonna be in my 3rd year of doing these Sunday vlogs in a couple of months, so that's pretty insane. I'm doing it because I really love doing YouTube videos, so that's the reason why I upgraded a camera, and then I'll be utilizing this camera for many things. Alright, let's see if I could just focus on something real quick. Focus. Oh, it's staying focused. Look at that sharp, detailed quality right there. We're at Venice Beach. Say hi.
Hello.
We got our bikes set up. You excited?
I'm not excited to wear my helmet.
Zoom test. Let's get that paraglider. here in Santa Monica. We made it!
We made it! Now we gotta go back.
Yeah, we gotta go back to Venice now. There it is. Any last words for Santa Monica?
Monday, Joemar days. Tuesday, Wednesday,